All right, number 15. Who is... she's afraid of a little bug, guys. A tiny bug. Oh my god. It's not little bug, Zara. It's not doing you nothing.
Okay, whatever.
She almost fell over. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today Zara will be doing all the talking.
So today we'll be doing sister tag, or you may call it who would be most likely to.
I don't think it's sister challenge. It's who would be most likely to. That's the challenge.
Yeah.
So who would be most likely to do something. So we have a list of stuff. We're gonna say who is most likely to do what, and then we're gonna put up our signs. Zara or Kizzy, who is gonna be most likely to do that thing that way, the statement or the question.
Yes.
So let's get on with the video. But wait. Before they do that, what should they do?
Subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like it, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.
Yep, what she said. So without further ado, let's begin. All right, my eyes are, I feel like out here the sun is so bright, it's
Popping.
I feel like my eyes are closing down. It's too bright. So if you see my eyes looking a little dim, it's because outside is bright. So let's see, what's the first question. The first question is, who is most likely to be rich? Who is most likely to be rich? I'm most likely to be rich.
No. Every time she comes to America, she has no money.
You don't have to tell the people in my business. I have money. I just don't let her know.
She does not.
Get out the camera. Because I'm most likely to be rich.
No, I am.
Anyways, number 2. We're doing 15 questions, by the way. Who is most likely to be poor? Yeah. We all know this one.
We all know this one.
We all know this one. Zara. Oh, I have it upside down. Yes. Zara.
Kizzy.
You're most likely to be poor.
Huh?
Persons that start out rich always get poor, that's why. And you consider yourself to be rich now.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get poor.
You consider yourself to be rich, so
No, I'm poor. Remember, I told you I'm poor.
Well, why'd you put rich then?
Because I'm most likely to get rich. Okay.
Next question.
Number 3.
3.
Who is most likely to be a heartbreaker?
No, because
I keep putting this thing upside down.
Kizzy made me cry once.
When did I make you cry?
On text.
She's always mean to me. So that's why when did I make you cry?
When you didn't tell me my present.
See? She's all about herself. Because it wasn't your birthday, you didn't even tell me, you didn't even get me nothing.
I did.
What did you get me?
You know, I picked that first, but Daddy just bought it.
Daddy bought it with Daddy's money, so it's Daddy who gave me a present.
Who gave you it?
Zara. So Zara is most likely to be me, to be a heartbreaker. She what should I say?
She just makes me cry all the time. She's rude. She's like, so she's a heartbreaker.
She's feisty. She's very feisty.
I love to eat.
What does that have to do with nothing?
I don't know. I guess I don't know what feisty means.
Feisty means your rank.
Aggressive?
No, you don't know that either.
I do know what rank means.
What does rank mean?
It's like, I know what it means, but it's hard to explain.
Feisty, I don't know how to say it.
Okay, let's just move on.
Feisty means you're rude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
You always say smart comments.
Yeah, I am always smart.
Comments, that's not smart. Anyways, what's the next one? Who is
4.
most likely to be in a Justin Bieber concert? I'm not a fan of Justin Bieber. Yeah, at least we get one right.
We agreed.
That's fun. That's cool. We agreed on something.
Okay.
What's the next one?
5.
Who is most likely to be the best at maths? No. I am the best at math.
No.
Because
No, I thought she was doing the 3 times table.
why does this look? I keep turning my stuff upside down.
Don't trust this one.
Okay, sit. Let me tell you why I say that. This morning we were doing some math stuff. I think I was trying to figure out how many sections to put at the back of her head.
Yeah.
And I said 312 is how much? She said 312 is 15.
No, because I was doing a 3 times table. I said 3, 12, 15.
I still don't get that.
The 3 times table was 3, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 24,
I'm lost.
32,
312.
36.
You said like it. I said 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2.
You said 3 times 12 is...
Yes, 3 times 12 is 36.
Yeah, so you go 3, 6, 12, 15, 20.
But you stop at 15.
Because I was doing a 3 times table, miss.
I don't know what she's talking
Okay,
about.
let's move on.
She's delusional. Anyways.
6.
Who's most likely to be a drama queen? We all know who this one is. I'm not a drama queen.
Because
Zara.
she keeps on figuring out to put
Listen.
this rap. Oh
No.
my god, Zara, I gotta focus.
Listen, no, listen with that. I have to be good to come on camera. I can't just come on camera looking like a bum. Even though I feel like a bum right now.
Well,
but
she is a boom.
she doesn't want me to fix my hair. She doesn't want me to fix my clothes and get ready for the camera. She's like, oh my god.
Because she has big...
Listen, you have to be ready. So that's not a drama queen. That's me getting ready for the camera. But you're all about me. Me. Why do I do this? I want to do this. So you're the drama queen. And then when she doesn't get that way, she's like, that's not fair. That's you. Anyways, moving on. Number 7. Who is most likely to marry a celeb? Oh, we all know this one is. We all know. Am I holding it correctly? Okay, you do yours, and I'll do mine now. Gosh, me. Why do you say you?
Because I am
What does that mean?
rich.
I
And
told you
you-
you're gonna get poor. Rich people always get poor.
You always...
I'm poor, so I'm gonna
She
get rich.
always gets
I'm gonna go in the limelight, and I'm gonna go to Las Vegas, and I'm gonna see the celeb. Which celeb do I want to marry though?
I'm gonna... Who's... It's
I
just...
don't know.
I don't know who. But one day we'll see.
I
about
know.
that.
I think I know one, but I don't know his name.
Yeah, I know him, but I don't know his name.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to be happy? That's definitely me.
You're sure?
No
yours?
if, buts, nor maybe.
Look,
I'm always happy. Always.
we
Oh,
agreed.
oh, you know, because I'm always happy.
She's always.
She's grumpy.
I'm like grumpy.
She's like, especially when she doesn't get her way. She's like, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Where are we? Number 9.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to be weird in public? I don't know this one, but probably
Zara.
Zara. Yeah, you're weird.
I'm just so weird.
You're weird. Very weird.
I have a different. Okay, next one. 10. 10.
Read it, because I can't read your thing sometimes.
Who is most likely to fail
Fail in
a
simple
simple
test.
test?
I'm not failing no simple test.
You show yours?
Me.
I show mine. Because remember my pop quiz?
Oh, yeah, that's true. She got a simple pop quiz, but because she didn't read the instruction, she failed miserably. Miserably. And it was so easy. If
Yeah.
you just read. If you
I
just
only
read.
had to do 1 and 2. That's it.
Yeah, but she didn't read. So, and it was so simple, so you're most likely
To fail.
to fail a simple test. Who is most likely to take to animals?
Talk to
Talk to animals. Oh, talk to animals. Zara.
No, because I hate nature. I hate nature.
I hate animals. You like cats and you like dogs. At least you like something. I don't like those stuff. And when you say
She
animals,
likes fish.
no, when you say animals, I think they mean like cats and dogs. I'm gonna talk to cats and dogs. Zara, I don't like whatever. I say her because she likes cats and she like dogs. I hate those stuff. I don't want to see them. I don't know. I'm scared of dogs because one bite me one time. So I don't like dogs for that.
You want
So
a
I'm
fish.
always far away from dogs. Cats, we used to have a cat one time and then the cat kept, like, when I'm sleeping, every time I wake up the cat is right next to my head and I hear his belly going like this. I hate that. So So because of that, cat love to cuddle. I don't like that. I don't like when they touch me. So that's why.
So
I
why
like
do
them.
you have one?
I don't have any. That was
You
when I was a kid. My auntie had one.
Oh.
Okay, where are we? Number 11?
Yep. No,
Oh,
12.
number 12. Who is most likely to chew with their mouth open?
Zara.
Zara.
I
Is
love.
it? Oh, properly. Zara. Zara.
I love the
Me,
sound.
when I have go back like this.
I love Amber's chew. She chews so nice and loud.
Who is Amber?
The one in your dream.
Oh.
She had a dream about my friend.
Listen. We don't need to tell the people
She
about
had a
that.
dream.
All right. Number
13.
13. Who most likely to not have a computer?
Me.
Zara, because I have a computer. And she doesn't. But who's the rich one here, right? Okay, we're almost finished. Wow, where are we? Number 14. Who is most likely to be a world traveler? Well, I would say Zara.
Me too.
Because I'm broke. I want to travel, but I don't got the
Money.
And she's been traveling a lot. You went to Florida.
I went,
you went
to Maryland.
Maryland.
But you went that time.
You're going to Jamaica.
You better check
And you soon
out.
gone to England. Wow.
And you better check out that video.
I don't have the money to do
where I
that.
talk Jamaican.
Shut up. Okay, the final one. What?
Where's mine? I didn't have two of these. This is probably mine.
Are you crazy? It's the same thing.
Really?
All right, number 15. Who is... she's afraid of a little bug, guys. A tiny bug. Oh my god. It's not little bug, Zara. It's not doing nothing.
Okay, whatever.
She almost fell over. Oh, that was so funny.
Okay.
All right, final one. Who is most likely to be a supermodel?
She is fat.
I'm gonna be a
Supermodel.
Well, I guess it's Zara for real.
Yeah.
You know why I say you? Because you're younger. You're looking tall and slim. I'm fat.
Exactly.
I can be a supermodel with this fat body.
Yeah.
Nobody wants these big boobs on camera. Oh, I can be a plus size model though. But she's young. I'll give this to her because she's young, and they normally flock to younger girls. So you have the potential in being a supermodel. So that's it. So sit down. So that is it. Who's most likely to be in very messy though? Let's do that one. Let's add another one.
Which one?
Who's most likely to be messy?
Wait, what is it?
Zara. Let me see. Oh. You bet. She's so messy. She's most likely to be messy. She's messy. I'm always have to be walking back her and be like, why can't you pick your stuff up? Messy. Which one would you want to add?
Huh?
Which one would you want to add?
Is most likely to twist your butt.
I'm not twisting my butt, so it's definitely you. Unless I'm in the shower, then I probably will. But I don't want nobody to see me twisting my butt. Okay. I think the joke has passed and gone. Probably reached in New York by now. Okay, could you stop? I think we should end here.
That was a fun challenge.
That was a quick fun challenge.
Yeah.
And you get all of the most likely to do stuff. Because she's weird. Very weird. So guys, oh my god, where did that come from? So guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe because we need your subscription. So subscribe to our channel, guys. Zara is going to Jamaica tomorrow. I told her to vlog, but I don't know if we're going to be able to use that footage because this is her with the video camera. you can tell in some of the videos, if you watch our previous videos, guys, you can tell that she is
That diaper challenge, oh my god. I was like,
yeah, guys, you can go and check out the diaper challenge. I'm gonna leave it down in the description, and you can go and check out our what challenge?
3 marker challenge.
What was the one that we did
inside the
yesterday?
balloon?
What's inside the balloon? That was interesting. And then we're also gonna have a video of the translation challenge. That's gonna be funny. I'm gonna put that one up before this one, so you guys can go check that out. So this is the end of our video. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Make sure you subscribe.